Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. Are you looking for the top 5 best embroidery machines of 2026? Here are my full reviews of the top 5 best embroidery machines of 2026. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Thank you. Number 1. The Brother PE900 embroidery machine is a feature-rich embroidery machine designed to bring creativity and precision to every project. With built-in WLAN capability, this machine allows users to wirelessly transfer embroidery designs from compatible devices, making customization easier than ever. Whether you're personalizing gifts, decorating home decor, or creating professional quality designs, the PE900 offers convenience and versatility. It features a large 5-inch by 7-inch embroidery area, giving you ample space to work on detailed patterns. The vibrant color touchscreen display makes design editing simple, while built-in embroidery designs and fonts provide endless creative possibilities. Automatic thread cutting and advanced needle threading save time and reduce hassle, allowing you to focus on your artistry. Perfect for hobbyists and small business owners alike. The Brother PE900 combines innovation, ease of use, and reliable performance in a sleek white design that complements any crafting space. Number 2. The Pull-In EOC06 embroidery machine is a perfect choice for beginners and hobbyists who want professional quality results at home. Designed with ease and creativity in mind, this computerized embroidery machine features a vibrant 7-inch touchscreen that makes selecting designs, editing patterns, and adjusting settings simple and intuitive. With a generous 7.9-inch by 11-inch embroidery hoop area, the Pull-In EOC06 gives you plenty of space to create larger, more detailed designs without constant rehooping. It comes equipped with 200 built-in embroidery designs, offering a wide variety of patterns to suit every style and project, from elegant florals to fun decorative motifs. Whether you're personalizing gifts, decorating home textiles, or starting a small crafting business, this machine delivers smooth performance and precise stitching. The user-friendly interface ensures even beginners can start embroidering confidently right out of the box. Create custom apparel, monogram towels, unique gifts, and more with a reliable and versatile Pull-In EOC06 embroidery machine, your creative companion for beautiful, detailed embroidery projects. Number 3. The Smartstitch S 1001 upgraded embroidery machine is designed for creators who demand precision, speed, and versatility in every stitch. Equipped with 10 high-performance needles and a powerful motor reaching up to 1,200 stitches per minute, this advanced machine delivers smooth, consistent embroidery results for both small businesses and passionate hobbyists. The expansive 9.5-inch by 14.2-inch embroidery area allows you to tackle larger designs with ease, reducing the need for rehooping and increasing productivity. Its vibrant 7-inch touchscreen offers an intuitive interface, making design selection, editing, and customization effortless. From monograms and logos to intricate multicolor patterns, the Smartstitch S 1001 ensures accurate thread changes and flawless detail every time. Built with the latest generation technology, it enhances stability, minimizes vibration, and supports a wide range of fabric types. Whether you're personalizing apparel, creating custom gifts, or scaling your embroidery business, the Smartstitch S 1001 combines innovation, efficiency, and professional-grade performance in one powerful machine. Elevate your creativity and bring your designs to life with confidence. Number 4. The Brother SE700 sewing and embroidery machine is a versatile, all-in-one solution designed for both creative hobbyists and serious sewing enthusiasts. Combining advanced sewing and embroidery capabilities, this computerized machine offers 135 built-in embroidery designs and 103 built-in stitches, giving users endless possibilities for personalization and craftsmanship. With a generous 4-inch by 4-inch embroidery hoop area, the SE700 allows you to create detailed monograms, decorative patterns, and custom artwork with precision and ease. Its wireless LAN connectivity sets it apart, enabling seamless design transfers from compatible devices and access to additional patterns through Brother's design platforms. The intuitive LCD color touchscreen display makes editing, previewing, and customizing design simple even for beginners. Automatic needle threading, adjustable sewing speeds, and multiple stitch functions enhance convenience and efficiency. Whether you're quilting, garment sewing, or adding unique embroidered touches to home decor, the Brother SE700 delivers reliability, creativity, and modern connectivity in one powerful machine. Number 5. The Janome Memory Craft 1000 combination sewing and embroidery machine is a versatile, all-in-one solution designed for sewists and embroidery enthusiasts who want precision, creativity, and reliability in a single machine. With a maximum embroidery area of 5.5 inches by 5.5 inches, it provides ample space to create detailed monograms, decorative motifs, and personalized designs for garments, home decor, and gifts. This combination machine seamlessly transitions between sewing and embroidery functions, making it ideal for both everyday stitching and intricate embellishments. It features built-in embroidery designs and fonts, allowing users to customize projects with professional quality results. The easy-to-navigate control panel and clear display simplify design selection and editing, ensuring smooth operation even for beginners. For sewing tasks, the Memory Craft 1000 delivers consistent stitch quality with adjustable settings, multiple stitch options, and dependable fabric handling. Whether working on quilting projects, fashion pieces, or decorative embroidery, this machine offers the accuracy and performance Janome is known for. Compact yet powerful, it's an excellent addition to any creative workspace.